Alright, so this is for Unit 1, Lesson 6. And we're going to be starting off by using just a few different methods of addition. We're going to start off with just the 3 digits, then we're going to move on to 4 digits, okay? So our first one is what we call groups above. This is what we're going to be seeing most often, generally speaking. This is considered the standard algorithm. So we have 8 plus 6, which of course is 14. So put the 4 right here. Remember, we have to carry our 1, and we put it up here. So we go 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 5 is 13. We carry our 1 again, so 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 more is 4. So we have the answer of 434. Now this is what we call groups above, okay? Because we put the groups above, no surprise there, okay? So we're going to move on and do groups below right here, very similar. So we start with our 8 plus 6, and of course that's still 14, but instead of coming and putting our 1 up here, we're going to put it right here on the line, okay? So we have 7 plus 5, which is 12, plus 1, which is 13, so we have to put our 1 over there. So 3 here, 1 here. We have 2 plus 1, which is 3, plus the 1 right here, which is the 4. So this is groups above, this is groups below. Okay, so now we're going to move on to some more place value oriented methods. The first is going to be doing the subtotal from left to right. We're just adding it up by place value. So when we look over here, we see a 2 and a 1, but we really know that that's not 2 and 1, that's 200 and 100. So 200 plus 100 equals 300. And then we have the 7 and the 5, but once again, based on place value, that's 70 plus 50, which is 120. And then we have our 8 plus 6, which is our 14. And we kind of add it all back up, so 0, 0 plus 4 equals 4, 0 plus 2 plus 1 equals 3, and then 3 plus 1 equals 4. So this has a couple more steps, but for some of us it might be a little bit easier thinking about it this way. So this is basically the same thing, except instead of going from left to right, we go from right to left. So we start over here with the ones column. So 8 ones plus 6 ones equals 14 ones. 7 tens plus 5 tens, which is also 70 plus 50, equals 120. Then 2 hundreds plus 100s, which is 200 plus 100, equals 3 hundreds. So we just add it all up, and we come up with 4, 3, and 4, so 434. So as you can see, all of these methods come up with the same answer. So it's really about choosing the method that works best for you.